Welcome to the jMeter intro course. My name is Lorena and I will be your instructor during the sessions. We are very excited to have you along. The purpose of this training is to sharpen participants' knowledge and skills on jMeter, including scripting real-life scenarios and use cases. This course is intended for beginners or for those who would like a refresh course. See how easy it is to get up and start running your own performance tests in minutes. I will show you how to install jMeter from scratch and cover the key concepts and foundations of script building in jMeter, from the main building blocks, scoping rules, and execution order. This session is an introduction to what is jMeter, what is jMeter used for. So let's start by asking, what is performance testing? And before answering this, I would like to explore why we need performance testing. Let's check the example of Black Friday. So I am an e-commerce site and I am expecting to get a lot of traffic during Black Friday, right? What will happen if my application, my website, actually fail during this day? And this had already happened to many famous retailers. So this is the reason why we do performance testing. If my application failed to deliver, my customer won't be able to buy. But not only that, my reputation will also start to decrease and my customer will lose confidence in my website. Lastly, it is not just the failed application or that the page failed to load, but even if the page does load, but it loads very slowly, it is also unacceptable. The goal of performance testing is to ensure that application servers and infrastructure can handle the load of users we expect to get in this kind of peak events. Now, how do we do it? When you load your web page, you are making a request to a web server or to an application server. So you will need to have a tool to simulate the expected scenarios of users going onto your server at the same time. And that is what jMeter is for. jMeter is an open source load and performance testing tool. It is Java-based and it simulates browser behavior by sending requests to a web or application servers for different loads and then parsing the responses. One important point to clarify before starting the course is that jMeter is not a browser. It doesn't execute JavaScript, Ajax, CSS, but there are some elements and settings that will go deeper in the following sessions to make jMeter to behave like a real browser. I hope you enjoyed the course. We'll be creating script together that will be available then to download.